Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter U. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम लेटर U का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter U. लेटर U पर उंगली फेरें. Bravo, shabash. The sound of letter U is a. Letter U की आवाज है a. Trace letter U with a pencil. Letter U पर पेंसिल फेरें. Shabash. Now we will read keywords from letter U. अब हम letter U से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. A uncle, a up, a umpire, a umbrella, a uncle, a up, a umpire, a umbrella. Now color these pictures. अब इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. शाबाश. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. U letter, up, up, up.
U letter, up, up.
U letter, cup, cup, cup.
U letter, cup, cup, cup.
Circle letter U in the given letters. इन letters में U के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Bravo! Connect uniform to the school with the help of lines. Bravo! Connect umbrella to the rain with the help of lines. Bravo! Connect man to the woman with the help of lines. Bravo! Dear teachers, discuss the pictures with children. Introduce letter U with phonic song. Ask children to name given U words. Teacher to demonstrate children by taking them up and down the stairs to give a concept of up and down. Teach vocabulary as sight words with pictures or play cards. Repeat the words umpire, umbrella, unlock, up, uncle, unicorn. How can we protect ourselves from rain?